Japan!
Hey everyone, Daniel here. So today we have a very special unboxing, and today what we have here are the OEM BMW Performance Carbon Fiber Splitters. Now right off the bat, these are all the original boxes that came from factory, and as you can tell, they aged quite well over the test of time. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start off by unboxing the left carbon fiber splitter. On the box, we have the official part number from BMW Group. On top, we have more original BMW factory stampings and stickers. Opening the box, we have very well bubble wrapped from factory of the splitter itself. And we also have a set of stickers that will go underneath the splitter from 3M. Whoa, here is the left carbon fiber splitters from BMW. Now, this carbon fiber is a 2x weave, I believe. It is extremely lightweight, and this is finished with a high gloss clear coat finish. Very, very beautiful piece. Now, this is the right splitter from the pair. Again, we once again have the OEM BMW Performance part number from BMW Group. We also have the BMW Group stampings from factory. Let's get into it. Opening this one, we have the exact same packaging. We have a very well bubble wrapped packaging by BMW. Also comes with 3M stickers. Ooh, fresh. Now this is the right side of the BMW Performance Carbon Fiber Splitters. As we can see inside, they have the official BMW Performance stampings along with the part number. And once again, this is finished in a 2x carbon fiber weave with high gloss finish. Very, very beautiful piece. Now, I've had a set of these on my car before. Thankfully, they were a rep set, but the rep set fitment was actually very good. Those were purchased from another member in the BMW forums. This set of BMW Performance Carbon Fiber Splitters are very, very well sought after in the BMW community, and it is no surprise that a collector like me wanted to get my hands on this first. Now, I got this a while back in 2009, and they've been kept uninstalled for quite some time now. An alternative to this set will be the BMW Club Sport plastic ABS splitters. Now, I believe those came with BMW Club Sport package in Europe, and those are a different silhouette compared to these ones. These ones here are from the BMW M Performance line, and they are very, very rare. Back then, when these were still available, they retailed for $304 USD. Now that these are no longer available, it's hard to say how much these are in the market. Thank you for tuning in on this very special unboxing. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Please comment down below on what you'd like to see next. Until then, see you next time.